in 10 minutes, guys, you're gonna have soft pork or tender. So you just don't use any water. So that's it gonna be look like, guys. Because salt, it helps to make the meat tender real quick. I put my fire into high heat, so it will be quick. That's the way I am used to when I was in the Philippines. So there you go, guys. We have eggplant and broccoli to be added on our pork soup. And we have ginger. I use the skin with it. And tomatoes and onions. This is my lemongrass, guys. It's kind of frozen because I put this in the freezer. I harvested from my backyard, so I put them in the freezer to preserve them. Now I'm gonna use them. And this is our pork right here, right there. So it is tender and ready. Now I'm gonna prepare the next step. Okay, guys, as you can see now, I'm heating up the pan to saute the rest of the ingredients that I'm gonna use for my pork soup. There you go. So we need the olive oil, just little, and I like to saute the ginger first. Put our onions on the other side. See, they are separated from the cut. I didn't separate them. I'm gonna put my mushroom. There you go, guys. We're going to add our pork. See how tender is the pork already? There you go. See, there's the pan that I used to tender the pork. There you go, the salt is in there. And we're gonna add the lemongrass. Now I'm gonna add water. So there you go. It's in the way. That's 5 cups. Now I'm gonna put the heat into high. Ayun, guys, kumukulo na ang ating nilaga. So, ayan, nilagay ko na ang talong at saka broccoli. Bakit naman talong at broccoli? Bakit hindi pichay? Last week, naubos ko yung pichay kakain, kaya medyo bored na ako sa pichay, guys. So, at ito lang ang meron ako dito sa bahay. Broccoli lang. Saka kahapon tong talong binili ko. So, Eh, kung maghanap pa ba ako, mag-drive pa ba ako, gusto ko nang magluto. Kung ano lang yung meron, yun lang ang ginagamit ko. Yan guys, yung ang buong bahay, amoy tanglad. So, bibilisan ko to para pag-uwi ng aking asawa, medyo humupa na yung amoy. Ang amoy-amoy talaga guys. Ayan yung tanglad guys, inano ko na yan. Kinat ko na kasi galing backyard natin yan. Saan yung karne natin nga? Pakita nga. Since pork daw to. Ayan. O, diba? Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kaalat. Let us try to taste. Uy. Yan guys, oh, kumukulo. Wala, kukuha pa ko ng... Okay, ang sarap. Mamaya na natin tikman guys, ang lasa. Paluto muna natin ang gulay na kakalagay lang. So, kung nanotice nyo guys, pag ulit-ulit yung nilulutuan ko dahil ito po ang aking paboritong lutuan. Wala na akong gusto pang ibang gamitin magluto kundi ito lang. So, kung masira to, bibili ako ng bagong ganito. Ang inches ba yan? Ayan guys, oh, see? Kumukulo. Okay guys. Try na natin ang lasa. Kasi ayan na, kumukulo na nga. Parang bukal na ba? Bukal. So, let's try how salty it is. Since salty yung nakikita nyo na pork kanina, di ba? I put a lot of oh man, I feel like there's no salt at all. So I need a taste. I need a flavoring. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna add the broth that I have in the other pan because I know this is very salty. There you go. I'm sure that will add up some taste on it. And I'm gonna add 1 cube of any broth cubes that you want for the taste. Okay. This is the way I want it. Just long. So since you've used the lemongrass already, and I'm sure the enzymes or the benefits of lemongrass is already in the soup. So since you cannot eat the lemongrass, I'm gonna remove it. All the lemongrass guys, you removed it because the function has been done. There you go guys, for my husband. Pork, broccoli, mushroom, and onions, and a little tomato. There you go. Let's go ahead and eat. I have the cassava. I have the pork soup. There's the soup. There's the cassava. The sweet potato. There we go too. I want to. There we go guys. Ang sarap naman. Wow. The cassava is so yummy. I feel sweet in the cassava. Sweet cassava or just become sweet potato. Oh, the lemongrass still in my soup. Okay, this is my cookbang for today. I don't like ginger. Put the ginger away. Just so perfect, guys. Of course, I'm the one who cooked it, so I will say it's perfect. So how do you eat them? First the meat. Oh, wow. How tender is the meat. See, guys? But it was not that salty because I didn't add the salt, and I was using 5 cups of water. It's so Oh my goodness. The best soup I ever made. Since I was filming, so I add up like I wanted to do this, to that, but it turns out to be the best. Yeah. How tender is the beef? Ay, pork. Everything is so good, guys. You can dip your cassava. Because this tastes so... There's a little sweet in it, but it's generally plain. But this is good for soup. For me.